Hi everybody, welcome to Living Better with Carrie Bond. I'm here today to share with you how I get my little bitty lips to look like I have a little bit of definition and fullness to them. Because when I see myself in pictures or when I look in the mirror, I hardly see a top lip up there. So as you age, your lips become thinner. My lips are always dry. So I use a moisturizer and put on my lips. And then the secret to making them look fuller is in a lip liner. I like to use either a light berry color or a nude color maybe. And what you do is you just outline your lips. And while I'm doing this, if you look where I'm placing it under the bottom of my lip, and it's just on the very outline and maybe even a little bit below. To make it appear that my lip is a little fuller than what it actually is. And then I do the same for the top. And you just make an X. And then draw that line. Always on the very outer part of your lip. And look how much definition now my lips have. They look like you actually think that I have lips. I do, they're somewhere in there. And then if you want to have a little bit more color, you could just color that in with your lip liner and then go over it maybe with a gloss. But I like to just leave it the way it is and then put a little more moisture on and then blend it together, just rubbing my lips back and forth from with each other. So there it is. My lips look a lot bigger, a lot more defined. So I suggest everyone who is going through the aging process to try this method to try to keep your lips looking lively and luscious.